In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect Gohighlevel pages and websites. If you want to limit access to a page or website inside Gohighlevel, this process is done from the site settings area, specifically through the security section. I'll walk you through the exact path so it's easy to follow along. First, log into your Gohighlevel account and go to the main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the primary navigation menu for your account. From that left side menu, click on Sites. This will take you into the section where your funnels, websites, and related assets are managed. After that, move to the top menu and click on Websites. This is important because Gohighlevel separates different site-related areas, so you want to make sure you're in the website section before continuing. Now select the website that you want to add password protection to. If you manage more than one site, take an extra second here to confirm you're choosing the correct one, especially if the names are similar. Once you've opened the website, click on Security. This area controls site-level security settings and is where you'll add the protection method for restricting access. Inside the security section, click on Add Security Header. This lets you create a custom security rule for the website. If you haven't worked with headers before, don't worry. You're simply adding a specific setting that tells the browser how access should be handled. Next, in the header field, add Content Security Policy. Be sure to enter it carefully, since header names need to be exact in order to work properly. After that, add the value in the value field. This is the part that defines the rule you want to apply. Make sure the value is entered exactly as intended, with the correct formatting and spacing if required. A small typo here can prevent the setting from working as expected, so it's worth double checking before you save it. Once everything is filled in, click Create. That will save the security header to your website. At this point, the password protection related configuration has been added to the site's security settings. After saving, it's a good idea to review the website and test the behavior in a separate browser or private window to make sure the restriction is working the way you expect. And that's it. That's how to password protect Gohighlevel pages and websites by using the security section and adding a custom security header.